Rakhi is around the corner. And so, it's time to get creative. I've got some very interesting Rakhis for you, which you can make in just 5 minutes. So the first one is Lego Rakhi. Isn't it sounding interesting? So for that, we need some Legos, some paper and some ribbons. You must be wondering, Lego? What is this girl up to? But wait and watch. So, we will take the pieces of Lego and make a formation. Let me make this formation. You can make any formation, just it should be colorful. So, we have to stick a paper under it, which is the size of the Rakhi, Lego Rakhi. And stick it nicely. Let's keep this to dry. And take your ribbons now. We will stick the center of the ribbon like this to the paper. Now, let's take this and stick it to this. Now my Lego Rakhi is ready. Isn't it easy, quick and very beautiful? This is looking like a monument to me, a little monument. The next one is the Star Rakhi. For that, we need some chart papers, a button and some ribbons or threads. You must be wondering, buttons? Why buttons? But see, you will get to know. So, first we have to cut 2 stars, but not of the same size and color. One should be small and one should be big, like this. Now we will glue them together. Now, let's stick the button on top. Let's let it to dry for a while. Now to keep this intact, we will cut a small paper and stick it like this. This is how it will look. Let's let it dry for some time. But isn't this looking cute? Now, the third and final one is an ice cream Rakhi. For that, I have taken some colored papers and some matching buttons. We need 4 colors, one for the cone and for 3 scoops. And the 3 scoops should have matching buttons, like this. So now let's glue them like this. this is how the base will look. Now we have to stick the buttons. The most interesting part. Press it. Now let's do the same with the second color. Glue and stick. Ice cream! Now let's make a cutout of the ice cream cone so that we can stick it at the back while we sing the strings. Here I have the cutout. So now let's similarly bring the two threads together. And so let's make a line, the thinnest one possible. Now let's stick it the cutout. I think it's dry by now, so let's turn it up to see. Yes! How cute! I really feel like eating ice cream after seeing this. Now let's put all the Rakhis together so that you can see and choose which one you want to make. This, or this. I think you should make all three because you can't decide which one is the most nice. You can use these as friendship bands too. And they're so cute and wonderful. If you like my cute Rakhis, then give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Bye. Enjoy making these Rakhis and tying it to your brothers or giving it as friendship bands.